Is it C?
With present perfect tense, correct.
Is it D? Hmm?
Letter D, correct.
Is it letter A?
Letter A, correct.
Is it letter C?
Letter C, correct.
Is it letter C?
Letter C, correct.
Is it letter D?
Letter D, that's right.
Okay. Is it letter C?
Letter C, that's right.
Is it also letter C?
Letter C again, that's in front, correct.
They all letter C.
You know letter C important.
Okay. Hmm. Is it letter D?
Letter D, not C,
Hmm?
correct.
Is it letter B?
Letter B, correct.
Is it letter C?
Or C, conclusive, correct.
Okay. Is it letter C?
Letter C, accepted.
Hmm. Letter C?
So,
Hmm? What did you say?
for letter C, accepted.
Okay. Is it letter A?
Raise your voice.
Hmm?
Raise your voice letter.
What did you
Yeah.
what did you say?
You said letter A, accepted.
Letter A? Oh yes, letter A. Is it letter D?
Letter B, let's accept it. And keep the rest for your homework. Here we have the conduction wire. It tells it,
Like sometimes.
no, the while here is subordinated conjunction. It makes the tense of the two actions happen at the same time. So here he said deformed, so it's better to be past simple. Because all of them past. Was it passive or active or what? Right?
Okay. Letter C?
Why do you think letter C?
Letter C because it's the correct answer.
We need to have a reason. Past participle or the
Because,
verb.
because it has thrown perfect tense.
A and C and D phrases. Past participle,
Mm.
present participle, and present participle again. But do you need phrase or a verb? That's the question. If you need a verb, يبقى all of it must be sentence. So you need verb, not phrase, right? And here we have the subject, as I told you, subject verb agreement. It is the phrases. You will find the subject, you will find the verb, and that's supported. And it's active voice, not passive voice, right? So in the test,
Okay.
if you find the three phrases, delete all of them and choose a verb if you are confused. But check the meaning, because we delete the phrases to find the subject and verb. So if I delete the phrases, I will not find the verb, so it will be fragment. So with phrases, fragment, and fragment wrong, so phrase is wrong. Imagine, yeah, memorize this structure: subject, phrase, or phrases, verb, complement, full stop, correct. We delete the phrases. You must find the subject and the verb. So if you use the phrases here, you will not find the verb. Look, all of them phrases. So we need subject. It's a subject, it's a verb. And at the same time, the meaning correct. That's why. So I say,
Okay. Letter C.
H-E, I see.
Mm. Good. Mm. 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 The box needs. Mm.
I see. Remember, I don't need the answer, but I need to know why.
Why? Mm.
But no problem. I kept for you the answers at the end, but we need to always ask why. Because you have a problem in grammar about the reasons. Here, why it is seen. Let's check. Let's check the structure with the meaning. Because in the test, you will find all of them correct by sense. Here we have two commas. So you expect it to be present participle phrase. Why? Because already have the sentence subject and the verb. And we have two commas, so we expect it to be non-essential phrase. So we need present participle or you need phrase. You need phrase. Here verb, wrong. Here verb, wrong. Here phrase, past participle. And here present participle. So check past participle or present participle. Past, it means the action happened in the past. It's like given all. So it means ages was given, ages were given, but how ages were given. So it means the
Okay.
action. So the whole situation given all. Something else we have here parallelism. So you need here parallelism again, so it's given. Look again for the present participle again, sharing. So imagine like that, complete sentence, comma, present participle phrase. So we test you here for phrases and at the same time meaning. Verb wrong. You have two phrases, but past or present. So you go back to the tense again. Okay, my friend?
Okay. I think I.
Remember, this is the phrase we did last time.
Mm.
Again.
Okay. Is it letter D? What did you say?
Could you explain?
Okay. Hmm. Because it modifies the verb might have, and it's an adverb clause. Hmm.
I don't think so, my friend.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Let me help you. We have a point last time for the phrase for the clauses. Sometimes we delete the clause. We delete the clause. That means the clause. This might have some weight that or which that have not. So here we had relative pronoun, but it's deleted because sometimes we can delete. So this means it's a beginning of a clause. Wait, that not had not. So here we need verb. So were it not, was it not? It's not a question. And if not, for hypothetical situation, it does not make sense. So here we have had not as verb. So if this is a subject and this is the verb. And we have relative pronoun. Imagine it.
Hmm.
But remember, not all the pronouns we can delete it. And here, for example, we can delete it. Here, he deleted. Here, who, we cannot. Because if he deleted, they will not understand. But sometimes we can delete that means which. That or which we can delete it sometimes. So you need verb. This is not verb. That's why. So it's not by sense. Come on. Number 5.
Number 5. Is it letter A? Is it letter A?
I think it's letter A, but why?
Why? Because the subject is variation. So suggest fits variation most.
It means subject verb agreement. So you need verb, right?
Yes.
This is phrase, present participle. Do you remember when I told you having plus past participle, it's called the absolute phrase? Imagine as present participle phrase. So you don't need phrase. So I need verb. Which one is verb? You go to the subject as you did, right? That's correct.
Hmm.
That's what I need. The right number 6.
Number 6. Letter B. B. C, C and D is not correct. No.
Always give
Low.
me reason why. Why, my friend? You need to find the reason or any wrong answers, mistakes. So why do you think is wrong? Did include. This expression, we can use it. Remember using did or do or does to emphasize the action. Like, I do love reading. I tell you a fact and I emphasize it by using verb to be. But is the action here right for possibility or not?
Yeah.
So that's mean this is verb
Mm.
and this is verb. But this is for emphasize, this is possibility. Including and included, it can be.
What's the possibility?
But
Mm.
no. Let me help you. Did for past and included for past. Are we talking in past tense? Or we are talking about facts? Share. Education is not, so we're talking about sociological facts.
Yes.
So we don't need past. So A and D is wrong because did to refer to past. Now between B and C, letter C, it's a phrase. We need verb for the subject. Because if you use the phrase, you will delete all the phrases. Imagine. Again, do you need verb?
Mm.
You need verb. This is a beginning of a phrase, present participle phrase. So we don't need phrase, we need verb phrase. One of the tenses of English, 12 tenses. So we don't need phrase. But perhaps you are confused between parallelism. The parallelism is here between given and making, not between the verb and the rest. Imagine.
Mm.
That's why. So we need verb. So it's not about possibility or not. It's about verb and the tense. Do we need past or present or not? Catch it?
Mm. Yeah.
Sometimes they have something called shifts in tenses. In the previous sentence in present, perhaps the writer jumped to past, but he is still explaining facts or the activities or the previous content. So it's still in the same tense. So it is here present for might include. That's why. طب why not try 7?
Okay, number 7. Is it letter B?
Why do you think B?
Because modifying the noun civilian. So for it we need a participle phrase. So it has to be B.
So B, it's correct. Explanation correct. Here we have verb. So we need phrase. Good job. And it's the same style. Look, complete sentence, comma, verb plus ing. As I told you, sometimes we delete the comma if it's essential. Why? Because this is present participle phrase to modify the noun before. If it's not the noun before, it must be comma for the subject of the sentence. What is being determined by the degree? Civilization. not the subject. See? And
Mm.
remember something. Some hacks says any answer has being wrong. That means B and C wrong? No. So don't follow hacks. Being can be used in English, no problem. And in an answer, by the way. But in your test, if you are confused between an answer has being and another answer, keep away from being. If you are confused. That's why.
Oh, letter number 8. Is it letter B?
Teach me.
It's letter B.
Teach me, my friend.
Huh?
Teach me why letter B.
Oh, mm. Because, well, when it said or, that means making like you need to copy before the whole to be somewhat the same. So to bullet, that means to reduce. If it said to bullet, then it's all reduce. Hmm?
Do you think that do you have other explanation?
Mhm.
Do you have other explanation?
Other explanation?
Mhm.
No.
Do you think it's a letter B? But I need explanation like using parallelism. But what
Or
is
is it to be the same? Like to bullet, so to reduce.
so that is. So what help you is a conjunction. That's why.
Hmm?
And don't follow the hacks like having plus past participle wrong, not most common. It's a parallelism. So the test maker give you evidence. That's all. So the evidence always in the text, not in mind. So don't follow the hacks. Try.
Okay.